entire boat synchronization becomes like one heartbeat when everyone is going together in the water at the same exact second. This is where you start feeling the power of the boat and the spirit of the dragon. 11 teams are gathering every Friday morning here in Qatar to train and race.
You are an ambassador of the team, right? So act like one, behave like one, be like one.
Dragon boat is about commitment, discipline, and respect. Respect for your team members and respect for the other teams as well.
Hey! Attention!
And since we are all here expats in Qatar, sharing also commitment, respect, and discipline makes it a stronger community. So it feels like family.